This is Dr. Sayyam Bharadwaj, Controller of Examination CBSE. I am just giving you the brief on the issue of date sheet. We have issued the date sheets of all the major subjects of class 10th and 12th as stated by ourselves a few days before. Now, the date sheet for the minor subject will be sent to the schools because these exams would be conducted by the schools, though the question paper will be provided by CBSE. But all these minor subjects are not conducted by or offered by all these schools. And therefore, we will be sending the date sheet to these schools. I request the parents, schools, and students that they should cooperate in the conduct of examination because CBSE is conducting term 1 examination uh, during the period of pandemic. CBSE will be making all the necessary arrangements. All the schools will be sanitized before the examination. Every best effort will be taken by the CBSE that students are not going far away from their home school. And I feel that a large number of schools will be fixed as the self-center only, keeping in view the distance and the comfort of the student. But CBSE will be putting lot of efforts and the observers on the examination centers all the days so that examination is conducted safely, fairly, and without any untoward incidents. Our efforts are to ensure that there should not be any problem to any student or to their parent. But it is very much desired that all parents and the schools and the students should cooperate with the CBSE so that examination could be conducted safely. Because when we are assessing your child, it is your equal responsibility that you should also take care of the instruction issued by the CBSE. I am also requesting each and every one of you that not to believe on any information circulating on the WhatsApp or social media. Whatever information will be issued by CBSE, that information will be issued by CBSE on its website. So always verify the information whether it is available on the website or not. Now, the minor subject examinations would be conducted from 17th for class 10th and 16th for class 12th. And these exam along with the examination of these major subjects, the examination of the minor subject will also be conducted. I request you to include this information in your news item so that it is circulated across the nation. The entire CBC is working very hard to ensure that there should not be any problem and examination should be conducted and evaluation should also be done in such a manner so that there is no problem with any student and result is also declared as soon as possible. Thank you.